Hello everyone, how are you guys? I am so sorry Monday was no video for me. I did have a project which was the beautiful adorable little coasters. I filmed this when I was making them, and so but I wasn't able to upload them for you guys. I'm still gonna continue working on it, and hopefully we'll put it out there eventually. But yeah, but those items I have listed in my shop right now. I had 3, but one a friend had already bought it shortly after I listed it. So, but anyways, yeah, if you're interested, go to Triple N's and check them out. So right now, I just packaged some order. I had 5 orders today, and I'm working on some new product. Yeah, new item for the shop. It's a lot of fun too. It's so cute and adorable. So I hope that you guys like it. So I'm gonna just cut up all my batting here, and then continue working on this and start building them later on this afternoon. Hopefully, maybe I'll have time this morning. We'll see how much cutting I can do, and then we'll put it all together. Maybe I can take you guys along. So upcycling, that's what we're doing here. So I don't even think my ink, it's not working. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. I think it just depends on the material that you're drawing on. This one I'm using, it's really small now, but it's soap. You know how you use soap and it get really near the end there, really thin? That's what it is, white soap. And it works all the time, except when I'm cutting some white fabric. So, but this one, it really depends. You know, I mean, it's chalk. It's very shiny on the outside, and it doesn't transfer. But inside, you know, it's kind of dry. But sometimes it doesn't work. You saw it. So let me cut this. But that's all I'm gonna be doing today. I'm upcycling the denim, old denim jeans that we no longer fit, because you know, times just we tend to just kind of get a little bit heavy after a while. So so yeah, stuff that we don't need anymore, or sometimes there's a hole in it. You know me, you guys have been watching me a while, you know how that works. So look at that. Okay, all right, and then we're gonna need one more. Hopefully there's enough. Yes, there's enough. Let's do it this way. Should I show you guys what I'm doing? I'll show you. I made a couple already. I'll show you. They're real cute. Real cute. Cute, cute, cute. Ta-da! Isn't it adorable? The other side is just blank, but it's a pot holder. Isn't it cute? Here's another one. My mother-in-law made this for me. And that's where I got the idea from her. This denim jeans is Grandpa's old denim jeans. So she made each and every one of us. So and I'm gonna, and then she put Dad's name on here. So this one I'm not gonna use. I will be putting it in a frame, and I have another one in my home in Oklahoma. So I'm gonna put that in a frame also, because this is Grandpa's old denim. So anyways, that's where the idea came from, and she's kind enough to give me an approval to share it with you guys. So, ain't it cute? So that's what we're making. We're upcycling some old denim jeans, and then and I'll be sharing those with you guys on my Etsy shop. So if you guys like them, I think they're really great for like gifts and stuff. So and like what Mom did, you know, she made it as a memento of Grandpa for all of us. So we will definitely treasure that, and I thought it was just the most adorable thing. I just fell in love with it. So anyways, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna be cutting all this and then putting them together, and then hopefully they'll be in the shop by sometimes next week. It'll be a good time to start shopping for the holidays. So all right, I'll try and pop in some clips here and there, and then we'll see how this camera works for us. So see you guys in a bit. We relocated ourselves upstairs. Here's our, I think I'm gonna call them, they're a bit of country, you know, so I think I'm gonna call them Daisy Dukes, hot pads, pot holders. So anyways, yeah, this is, if I'm not downstairs in the garage, I'm up here working. You can see it's like a work in progress here, and these were coasters that I had made and listed, but after I've taken some photo, I realized some of the sleeves are not matching, so I had to redo them. So now this way they're all matching. Is funny, some are like really way off. It's like, what the heck. So anyways, so that's a work in progress here. And then over here is where I'm going to be doing my sewing with those Daisy Duke pot holders. So okay, I'm going to get started before the day disappears on me and I don't get anything accomplished. So yeah, so I make the face mask here. I got my wire for my face mask. I got my labels here. And then over here is where I do all my embroidery stuff and all my thread here. And in that drawer, I'll show you guys. It's all in here. So, so okay, I will let you guys go. Talk to you later. Bye. So here they are. 3 of them are done. This one, I have to take a mental note that when it has some directional print, I need to remember the way it cut. It's upside down up there, so now I have to recut another one. So then this way it'll be sitting upright, or the direction of the print. But that's what they look like. My Daisy Duke Daisy Duke pot holder, and as well as just kitchen decor. There it is, guys. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. It's a lot of fun. I had fun making them. I'm gonna keep making them. I'm gonna keep making more. Right now I have like the fall Thanksgiving motif, you know, theme right here. This one is a classic, I think. You know, a little bit of country kitchen kind of thing. So but next one I'm gonna be working on are the holiday prints. So all right, enjoy and have a great week. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.